Girl Brandy Dion, and we are back with another tutorial. But before we get started, I want to go ahead and give a thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you to my new subscribers for subscribing. Thank you to my subscribers who've been down since day one. I appreciate y'all and I love y'all. For those of you who isn't subscribed yet, if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Go ahead and click that red button and subscribe to this channel. Click that notification bell so that you do not miss another video from me. Go ahead and comment on some looks you guys would like for me to see. Now we can get started into the video. As you can see, I have on a gown. This gown is my graduation gown because today will be a graduation makeup tutorial. So congratulations to all of the 2018 graduates. I am a graduate myself. I graduated from Baltimore City Community College last June, and I am now a student at University of Baltimore. I do want to say congratulations to all of the 2018 graduates, and next December I should be another graduate again. So I should be having my second college degree. So big ups to all the graduates. Congratulations to you, whether you're graduating elementary school, middle school, high school, college, doctorate, whatever. Congratulations to you. But I do want to say that I haven't done a review on this hair yet, and I know someone is going to ask. So just bear with me. I haven't done a review on it yet, but I'm going to go ahead and tie my hair up so we can get started on this video. And for this tutorial, I'm not going to do too much talking because, y'all, my talking makes the video so long, and then it would take me forever to edit, and I just don't feel like going through all that. But if you guys do want to see more talk through videos, chit chat, get ready with me, me's, go ahead and leave it in the comment section down below. Go ahead and subscribe to my reaction channel, y'all. I have so much fun on a reaction channel reacting to music videos. For those of you who don't know, I love NBA Youngboy, so I do have a lot of NBA Youngboy videos over there. It showcases my personality a lot on that channel, so go ahead and subscribe to that channel. It is called Brandy Dion Reacts. I will have that in the description box down below, and I will keep talking, so I'm going to go ahead and tie my hair up so we can get started on this channel. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so my hair is now tied to the back. I did do my eyebrows off camera, so I'm going to go ahead and get started with this tutorial. So this is the finished look. It turned out really pretty. A nice little burgundy pink graduation makeup. So yeah, this is it. This is before I put on the cap. So I hope you guys like it. Anyway, that's going to be the end of this tutorial. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and leave me comments on what looks you would like for me to create, what looks you would like for me to see. And I'm going to go ahead and put this cap on. Don't forget to follow my other YouTube channel, which is Brandy Dion Reacts. I have a lot of videos that I'm going to upload today. It's actually going to be featured with this makeup look because I'm doing this before I actually react to some more videos. But anyway, go ahead and subscribe to my other channel at Brandy Dion Reacts. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to come back with the finished look with the cap on and everything. And I love you guys so much. Talk to you later. Bye.